Okay. Good morning. Thank you for coming on time. Could you please introduce yourself?
Good morning. Thank you for the opportunity. My name is Fajrin Febriani Rianti. I graduate from Universitas Trunojoyo Madura, majoring in management.
Alright. How do you feel today, Fajrin?
I'm fine. It's a pleasure to meet you. It has been a great morning for me.
That's good. So, you came here for the job opening we have
For the new supervisor, your secretary called me yesterday to tell me I was LSD's interview.
Oh, right. So, have you worked as a supervisor before or it's your first time?
I have been working in the same area for years and I'm ready for the move forward.
Great, although we don't usually hear people with zero experience in the area.
Oh no, I do have a lot of experience in the area but in a supervisor.
Oh, I see. And why did you decide to study that career?
Anyway, I used to see him talking about business and how to manage a company and I like that. And that's my needed to study this amazing career. I think I am do a good job as a supervisor. Well, my father was a businessman to an general manager of an important company. Of course, it was many years ago because now he is retired. He is 70 years old now.
Okay, so what do you think is necessary for the job position?
Science, you need to manage people, you need to have leadership. First, I think I have it.
You think you have it? Why do you say that? Can you give me an example of your leadership?
I grew up in Pamekasan and it that I was best student at school, at least not at math or science. But I was chosen as the high school president for 3 years in the row. That was amazing. As a president, I could help the student to get some improvement for the school, of course. I was very popular and many people knew about my abilities to manage difficult situations.
And why? And why were you choose as the high school president if you weren't that intelligent?
Well, I consider myself as a responsible and committed person. That's one of my strengths. I can take full responsibility for my team performance, being this good or bad. I also commit to my career, so if I need to stay extra house to complete a project, I won't hesitate to do that. And about my weakness, I can be stubborn sometimes. I could say that I conviction, but it's not good to believe something can go just one way. Of course, I'm working on that. I think it is a normal to confuse person with destiny.
I see. Now, um, what are your greatest strengths and weakness?
I'm the king of person who likes challenge, science. I like chills. I'm full Latin. But I think the biggest one was the decision of moving to another city. It was to do. I had to deal with this, finding a place to live, getting a work to pay for my stuff. It was definitely a difficult moment in my life, but happy I could handle it successfully.
Now, what is the biggest challenge you have ever faced in your life?
Oh, that's wonderful. Thank you very much. I promise I will do my best for this company.
It really is okay, Fajrin. I don't usually hear inexperienced works, but this time I'm going to make an exception. I think you have the necessary for this job. And of course, you can learn easily how to manage people to this company. So I think you passed this interview and you are able to come tomorrow to take to the general manager because you need to meet and she's going to explain you more about the company.
It was my pleasure. I will be here tomorrow early. Thank you very much for the opportunity.
It was nice to meet you, Fajrin. I will see you tomorrow morning.